Hi everyone! Today I'm at my mom's house and we're going to make her wonderful tamale pie.
This is everything that I'm going to need today. 1 pound of hamburger, a tablespoon and a half of chili powder, and there's also a tablespoon of sugar in here.
Okay.
A cup and a half of cornmeal.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of butter. 1 whole chopped bell pepper. 1 whole chopped onion. And about 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. It's actually the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
And a large can of chopped tomatoes, a can of regular size olives, a can of corn, and 2 cans of tomato sauce.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so and a little oil in the pan because this meat is very lean.
Okay.
So I'll go over here to the stove.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to put a little oil in the pan. I like to fry the onion with the hamburger.
Do you drain it or you just leave the...
No, because it's so lean, I won't have to.
Okay.
If it was not lean, I would. So.
Smells so good.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, it smells great. Garlic. And the 2 cans of tomato sauce. They're, you know, a can of corn. can of whole olives. Drained, yeah, and the corn is drained too. And this has got to cook for about 20 minutes. And put in the chili powder and a tablespoon of sugar. I'll set my timer for 20 minutes.
Okay. Oh, that looks so good. Look at the olives and the corn. Bell pepper.
Cheddar cheese. I usually use cheddar. This is sharp cheddar.
Ooh, okay. And how much is that?
Well, you're supposed to use like 2 cups. You put 1 cup in and 1 cup on the top.
Okay. So half of that will go in and half of it will be on top?
Yeah.
Okay.
I might use it all. Yeah. Cook for 20 minutes, stir. Stir often, let it simmer. About
Okay.
20 minutes. But keep your eye on it.
Okay.
Simmer 20 minutes.
Alright.
I got 6 minutes to go. My tamale pie cooked 20 minutes, so I'm going to turn it off. And I'm going to put a cup of cheddar cheese in here. So I'm just winging it here. I think that's about a cup. And just mix it in. Okay, I'm going to let that sit. I'm going to make the crust.
What are you doing now?
I'm making the crust. 4 cups of water. Okay, and I'm going to put in cup and a half of cornmeal and a little half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, so you cook it on high until it gets going here. You cook this, it's not boiling yet, it's on high. So you cook this until it starts boiling and then let it boil until it gets real thick where the spoon will stand up. I'll show you. It takes a little while.
Okay.
Okay, this is starting to get thick now, so I turned it down to like boil because it's really going to get thick now and it's going to like spit all over. So you kind of keep stirring it.
This is the hard part.
Alright, I cook it until the spoon stands up by itself. A little longer.
I never knew you did that. That's a lot of work.
I know. I think that's good.
Okay.
And then I gotta put the butter in here.
Okay.
Two tablespoons of butter.
Kind of looks like matzo meal.
Yeah, malted meal, yeah.
I'm sorry, that's 2 tablespoons of butter?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Stir until it's all melted. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the pan.
Okay, so we're going to go over to the
Mhm.
island? Okay.
Okay.
Do you, so you don't have to butter the pan?
No.
Oh, okay.
There's butter in this thing.
Oh, okay. Thank you for doing this and giving us your secret recipe.
Oh, I don't mind.
I think
No
people
secret.
really will enjoy this.
Some people like to keep secrets, but I would rather
This-
just share.
Yeah, this is a really good recipe.
And it kind of gets hard quick.
And your
so-
mom used to make this too, right?
Oh, hers was really easy.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to make it someday. Her
Okay.
recipe. It was like all in one pot.
Oh, okay.
You didn't do
Oh, yeah,
anything
maybe
like this.
we'll have to do that one time.
Okay.
Then we'll have to do a video on making your cheesecake.
Okay.
You make the best cheesecake.
Grandma's cheesecake.
I think it's just as good as not better than the Cheesecake Factory.
Yeah. It's a family recipe from my mother.
Okay. So you just spread that in.
Yeah, just
Evenly?
spread it around. Uh-huh.
It starts to firm up pretty quick.
Yeah, I know. That's why you can't wait too long.
Okay.
Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, let's see. Bring my pan over here.
So this part here kind of reminds me when you start building a lasagna. It's kind of.
Oh, uh-huh.
Well, no, you don't have to do layers though. You just put on top, right? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but I like to use the soup thing so I can kind of get the olives even. Brianna's gonna love this.
Yes, you will.
Only too bad she can't taste it. Okay, now I'm going to put the other cup of cheese on the top. I usually use sharp cheddar. This is extra sharp cheddar, so this will be the first time for this. I don't know if that's a cup. It might be more.
Okay.
I guess that's pretty
You
good.
can never have too
Think
much
that's
cheese.
enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean,
So now I just put it in the oven.
okay.
Okay, you put it in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees.
That looks so good. So you're cutting a little early, right, Mom? You would have normally let it sit a little bit longer. How long do you normally let it sit? For a couple hours? Or an hour?
I don't know.
But because I'm here today, you're gonna cut it.
That's probably too big.
Here is the final result. This is my piece of tamale pie, and it turned out really good. My mom likes to serve this with French bread and butter and a side salad. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.